These 8 common fruits could silently be weakening your legs if you're over 60. Most seniors eat them daily without knowing the risk. As we age, our muscles, especially in the legs, naturally lose strength. But did you know some fruits that seem healthy could actually be speeding up that process? Today, we're breaking the myth around 8 fruits that can be harmful for seniors trying to maintain strong legs and good mobility. Fruits like grapes and ripe bananas are often praised for their natural sweetness and nutritional value. But for seniors over the age of 60, they may come with a hidden risk. These fruits are particularly high in simple sugars, which can lead to rapid spikes in blood glucose levels shortly after consumption. This sudden rise in blood sugar triggers an insulin response in the body. Over time, frequent insulin spikes can contribute to insulin resistance, chronic inflammation, and fatigue. Inflammation, especially in older adults, can directly affect muscle tissues, reducing leg strength and making everyday tasks like walking or standing more difficult. For seniors aiming to preserve muscle health and balance, especially in the lower body, limiting high-sugar fruits may be a wise dietary adjustment. Canned fruits, especially those packed in heavy or light syrup, might seem like a convenient way to enjoy fruit, but they often come with a heavy dose of added sugars and artificial preservatives. Peaches, pears, and pineapples in syrup lose much of their original nutritional value during the canning process. The syrup adds extra calories without fiber, leading to higher blood sugar levels and increased fat storage. For older adults, these added sugars can slow down the body's ability to repair muscle tissue after activity, which is crucial for maintaining strong and functional leg muscles. Additionally, the preservatives used in many canned products may contribute to inflammation and poor gut health, both of which negatively impact physical performance and mobility. Fresh or frozen fruits without added sugars are always a better option for supporting senior muscle recovery and overall health. Although fruit juices like orange juice and apple juice may appear healthy, they lack one of the most essential components of whole fruit: fiber. When fruits are juiced, the fiber is removed, leaving behind a concentrated form of natural sugars. Drinking fruit juice causes blood glucose to rise much faster than eating the whole fruit would. For seniors, this quick spike can result in energy crashes, reduce stamina, and weaken leg function over time. Moreover, frequent high blood sugar levels have been linked to decreased muscle protein synthesis, making it harder for older adults to maintain muscle mass. Unlike whole fruits, which take longer to digest and provide a slow, steady release of energy, juices offer a quick burst followed by a drop, which is especially harmful to those already experiencing age-related muscle loss. Tropical fruits like mangoes and lychees may be delicious and rich in certain vitamins, but they also carry a nutritional red flag: high levels of natural fructose. While fructose is a type of sugar found in many fruits, when consumed in large amounts, it can overwhelm the liver's ability to process it efficiently. Unlike glucose, which can be used by nearly every cell in the body, fructose is primarily processed by the liver, where it is more likely to be converted into fat. This process, over time, can lead to increased fat buildup around organs and reduced muscle energy output. For seniors, this means greater muscle fatigue, lower stamina, and in some cases, frequent leg cramps due to impaired nutrient metabolism. Replacing these tropical fruits with lower fructose options, like berries or apples, may support better muscle function and energy levels. Bananas are often a staple in senior diets due to their convenience and potassium content. But the ripeness of the banana plays a crucial role in how it affects the body. Unripe bananas contain high amounts of resistant starch, which can be difficult for older digestive systems to process efficiently. This starch may also interfere with the absorption of essential electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, both of which are critical for proper muscle function. On the other hand, overripe bananas have converted much of that starch into simple sugars, which can spike blood sugar levels and cause rapid energy crashes. Both unripe and overripe bananas can contribute to muscle weakness or cramping, especially in the legs. Seniors should aim to eat bananas that are just ripe, not too green, not too spotted, for optimal nutrient absorption and muscle support. Dried fruits such as raisins, dates, and apricots may appear small and harmless, but they are extremely concentrated sources of sugar. During the drying process, the water content is removed, leaving behind a dense, sugary bite that can have 2 to 3 times the sugar concentration of the original fruit. While dried fruits do contain some nutrients and fiber, they are often consumed in larger quantities than fresh fruit because of their size and sweetness. This can lead to unintended overconsumption of sugar. Additionally, their lack of water content can contribute to dehydration if not paired with sufficient fluid intake. Dehydration is especially dangerous for older adults, as it affects joint lubrication and muscle flexibility, particularly in the legs. For better hydration and muscle health, whole fruits with high water content, like watermelon or oranges, are more supportive options. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and limes are commonly enjoyed for their refreshing taste and high vitamin C content. However, when these fruits are not organically grown, they often carry a significant amount of pesticide residue on their skins. These chemicals are used to protect the fruits from pests and mold during farming and shipping, but they can remain on the fruit surface even after washing. Over time, consuming fruits with high pesticide residue can have subtle but serious effects on the body, especially in older adults. Certain pesticide compounds have been linked to disruptions in nerve signals and muscle coordination. This means that regular exposure, even in small amounts, may affect balance, reflexes, and the ability to walk or move with confidence. For seniors who may already face age-related declines in mobility, these hidden toxins can quietly worsen leg strength and stability. Choosing organic citrus fruits or thoroughly peeling the skin can help reduce exposure to these harmful substances. Some fruits, though nutritious for most people, can act as allergens in sensitive individuals, especially melons, kiwis, and certain types of berries. These allergies may not always result in dramatic reactions like hives or swelling. In many cases, the symptoms are mild and go unnoticed: bloating, stomach discomfort, or fatigue. However, even these minor allergic responses can interfere with the body's ability to absorb key minerals such as magnesium and potassium. These nutrients play a vital role in maintaining muscle health, especially in the legs, where strength and endurance are essential for everyday tasks. When absorption is compromised, muscle function suffers, leading to weakness, cramps, or slower recovery after physical activity. Seniors who notice unusual fatigue or leg pain after eating specific fruits should speak with a healthcare provider and consider getting tested for food sensitivities. Avoiding those allergens can significantly improve nutrient absorption and muscle strength. Your diet is either building your body or quietly breaking it down. If you're over 60, avoid these fruits and focus on leg-strengthening foods instead. Want a full list of power fruits for strong muscles? Comment yes below and subscribe for more health tips.